guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I want to show you the newest 3D perlers that I make. Is a little corgi. He's wearing this Chinese New Year outfit. He's getting ready for Chinese New Year. I showed you guys before that the tangerine means lucky, and he's such a happy corgi. I used to have a corgi, but you know, now he's in heaven. All right, so today we're not making this one. Today we're gonna make this one. Ooh, the Mickey donut. So it's like a little Mickey fairy. I think some of you have seen it before, but I never show how to make it. So today we're gonna make this one. So the cool thing about these little donut 3D perler is you can add like a little thing here to make it into a keychain, or you can put like sticker, like the sticky, two-size sticky, or add like a magnet. Oops. So you can put it on your refrigerator, or people who have cubicle or cabinet, they can add it to the cabinet, so it looks really, really pretty. And it's very, very easy to make. And then so I'm gonna show this to you today. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell, so you get more tutorial videos like this or other collection tours. And if you're already following my channel, thank you so much for your support. Alright, so let's get started. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, let's get started. So this one is gonna be the base piece, and then this is gonna be the second base piece, and then this is gonna be the connector for all the pieces. So let's go through this one right here. Okay, and then we're gonna use this one to place it through here. All right, looking good. Before I forget, so right here, all these beads, they're clear, so you can see through for the back. And also this one is also clear beads, so if you didn't see in the other pattern. Then we're gonna use this one to go from the back to connect the top part. There we go. All right, so the next piece is gonna be this piece. Sometimes I flip it through to see which part, which side was gonna land closer to the beads. Okay, so here fits perfectly, right? Now this is gonna be the next one. So we're just gonna follow the pattern. It's actually pretty easy. So just like that. But sometimes I'm gonna try the other side. Maybe this way is better. The gap is smaller. Okay. Then this one is gonna be the top piece right here. Okay, so we're gonna have something to connect them. This one. All right, so put it right in the middle. Yeah. All right, when you hear that click sound, that means it works. All right, let's build from the bottom to stabilize it before we go on to the side. So these three are the bottom piece. Again, this center one, all the bottoms, they have the clear beads. Okay, so first we start with this one with the longer bead. These two look the same, but this one has a little bit longer. So go to the bottom and you can see the pattern. Simply insert it. Yay! This one is the second one. So it goes right here. So we have this one as the last piece. Oopsie. Alright, so let's flip to the other side because I feel the other side's better. Yeah. Alright, let's come into the side pieces. So we have two sets of the side pieces. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's come to the side. So this one goes first. Flip to the side. As you can see, this one goes to the long one. So slowly take your time and then put in there. If If you go too fast, you might break the piece. So that's why I don't do my nails, because so that I can use my nails to push them in. Yeah, so just have to be very careful sometimes. Yeah, if you have the tweezer, you can just push it in with the tweezer, but if not, just use your fingertips. So this is gonna be the second one. All right, so you can see the little piece is the last piece, just right here. So cover that little hole. If this one doesn't work that well, use the other piece. See? And then coming to the other side, the same thing. Can follow the color pattern. And then sometimes it looks really tight. Just try to, you know, squeeze it in, then reform it. Looking good. Let's see, we're almost done here, so stay with me. I know you will. All right, one last one. Goes this way. Oops. Goes to the top so it covers the hole. Yay! All right, so only 3 pieces left. Let's come into the bowl first. So this one goes to the center, and then so you have 2 options. You can put it on the top this way, or you could put it under. When you put it under, it might not be like stable, so you might want to apply hot glue. But if you want it this way, I think it's more stable. And then same as the nose sticking out, put it on the top. But I feel like it's also not very stable. You can see it's kind of loose, so if you bring it outside and make it a keychain, it's gonna lose. So apply hot glue that I recommend, and then glue it from the bottom or on the back, and then just press it on there for like maybe 30 seconds, so it's gonna stable. Look at how cute, how easy. Woohoo! I got 2 now, so I'm gonna give one to my friend or my sister. See, if you put it here, it's also kind of loose, but always, you know, use hot glue if you like. There you go, so quick. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.